I'm back. Tingnan natin kung anong bibilhin natin dito sa Taipei. So, I don't know kung totoong natural to, pero I wanna try it. Because I like pusong ayan, balot. Balot. Charot. Sabi, Pacquiao. Pacquiao. White flower time.
哎，你用中麻那这个会辣哦，没关系哦。好，这个会辣辣。好，good。没有，你跟他说是辣哦，不是 good 啦。哦。辣怎么讲？嘿也辣来。谢谢。后面哦。谢谢，不要客气，谢谢。谢谢。秘书很有名。嘿辣来。谢谢。后面哦。谢谢，不要客气，谢谢。谢谢。秘书很有名。What's this? Pineapple 台湾最有名嘿。OK， 台湾、新加坡还有泰国什么印尼、台湾的 OK， 台湾也是台湾面哦。OK， 啊，他要不要再来一个小摊的，又不一样口味？来，这个很多人买很多，这个人因为这个人很喜欢，他这个也很喜欢，我也不知道，他就是两种都买。OK， 谢谢 ，Thank you。
So, tara na.
这个是庄家方块酥，就是一点点甜的方块酥，也很有名。
Naintindihan niyo ba
这个
yun?
有加蛋黄啦，它这个没有加啦。
哦，
哎，这个也很好吃啦。我也蛮喜欢吃这个方块酥，是嘉义最有名的。
啊，no, this
OK， 蛋黄啦，它这个没有加啦。
哦，
哎，这个也很好吃啦。我也蛮喜欢吃这个方块酥，是嘉义最有名的。
啊，no, this OK, thank you, 谢谢。
不要客气，按牛轧糖，牛轧。
Kung makabenta si ate, alam mo may commission dito sa convenience store. Cute niya. Thank you, te. Thank you so manang. Thank you so much. 谢谢你。你好，我叫什么？谢谢。谢谢。Cute. Oh, Kevin, cute. What about this? Yan, ang cute. Ew. Si ate nagla-live selling. Galing. Mga busy sila na. This is really nice. You know me, when I find something I like, I really have to share it. So I've been using this app called TapTapSend, and honestly, it's such a godsend, especially for those of us who regularly send money or would like to send a love gift from abroad to the Philippines. So the best part is transfers are super fast, rates are great, and zero transfer fees when you send directly to banks or mobile wallets. May minimal fee nga lang for cash pickup, but that's honestly nothing compared to what other apps charge. Like, bakit ko pa gagamitin ng iba, di ba? And okay, here's the best part na talagang made me obsessed. New users get a welcome bonus on their very first transfer. Just use my promo code TAPKC so you can get $20 on your first transaction. So if you send $50, you actually give $70 to your family in the Philippines. Extra love, di ba? Depende saan ka naka-base yung bonus. Check out the screen. Guys, the download link is in the description. So just make sure to use code TAPKC so your bonus gets applied automatically. Okay? You're welcome in advance. Thank you for being here. And back to our vlog. On Hot Pot, where my mom always comes or always goes for Hot Pot in Taipei. Mom has vlogged about Dingwang Hot Pot, but it was fully booked when we checked tonight. So we went to the sister brand called Wulao. The spicy broth in this hot pot spot is more sour, less peppercorny. Like Szechuan pepper, yung talagang anghang na talagang numbing pepper, yung parang namamanhid na yung dila mo pag kinakain mo yung broth na nasa kabilang restaurant, yung gusto ni mama. Dito naman, mas maasim yung spicy broth, pero sister brand siya nung hot pot spot na gusto ni mom. So, I really like it here also, Wulao. Check it out, it's super cool. It's cozy, it's quiet, also not like magulo. And the broth is not flashy. It's more deep. Para siyang home-cooked hot pot. Hindi siya yung pang mall or pang restaurant na ang dami-dami nangyayari. It's like deep, parang soulful hot pot, I would say. It's like home-cooked, parang ganon. So, we're enjoying it so much. Oh, what is this? Is this blood? Used to it, but I will definitely try it. And I don't eat a lot of beef, but these days, when it's hot pot and it's thin like this, I appreciate it na. So we got 2 different broths, and what I like about it is they have dates. That's really healthy for you. One is spicy and one is creamy. We have a palate cleanser. Diba? Parang lemony. It's pretty good. Pang pa-restart ng panlasa natin. I think it's a good touch. Actually, perfect siya kasi napaso yung dila ko. Kasi ang init ng soup kanina. So, napaso ako. Perfect din siya. Pang himas-mas ng paso. And ito daw, chrysanthemum tea is really good for pag kumakain ka ng mainit or maanghang. Maganda daw tong tea na to pang palamig ng tiyan or pang pa-cool down. So we've tried braised beef noodle soup, we've tried xiaolongbao, we've tried bubble tea, and Taiwanese fried chicken. Happy dinner! And honestly, I can't think of a better way to end this than right here. Chopsticks in hand, soup bubbling, happy. From the markets to the coffee shops, the creative parks, the little alleys we just stumbled into, it all just felt so warm. Masaya.